Hey guys, what's up? This is Mani. So in this video, we'll be learning how to install Kali on VirtualBox. I know that it is really tough to install Kali as it takes a lots and lots of time and it may not always be successful. So in this video, I'll be showing you the easiest way to install Kali. So now without any further delay, let's get started. First, open up the browser and then paste the link in the description box below. Then this page gonna open up. So you guys might be wondering why I'm not in the official Kali page. This is because the official Kali image has got some bugs which gonna trouble you a lot during your work. So we will be downloading a legit customized Kali image that has got no bugs, but it also got a lot of new applications pre-installed with the old ones. So now what you need to do is just scroll down, and if your computer is 64-bit, then click on any of these links and download the Kali image. If your computer is 32-bit, then scroll down a little bit and click on these links to download the 32-bit version of the Kali image. And after downloading, come back watching. So after downloading the Kali image, what you need to do is just get to the place where the Kali image is stored and then double click on this. And once you double click on this, VirtualBox gonna automatically open up and this gonna show up. Just say import here, don't change anything. And once you click import, then it says importing virtual disk image and it takes some time to import. So if you guys don't know what exactly is VirtualBox and how to install it, I have made a video on that. Please go check it out. It will be very interesting. So now let's wait for this to install. Now the Kali.ova file is successfully imported into VirtualBox. Now what we need to do that is just click on this one right here, which we have just imported, and just click on settings. And once you click on settings, then this window gonna pop up. So now where we need to go is go to the network section and click on a NAT network. So this gonna now show that you have connected to a wired network, but you actually connected to the internet through your host machine, which is Windows in my case. Now just say OK, and now you're done. Everything is done. There is no installation process like how we download the ISO file. Here just we import this. We need to just click on the start button to enjoy our Kali machine. So now let's click on the start button right here, and then this is going to open up this machine. So you can see here the Kali Linux has successfully started and it's booting. Just click on enter to fast it up. As you can see here, Kali Linux is booting up and we will be in the machine in less than a second. So the default username is ROOT. Don't forget to click this. And now what is the password is TOOR. Now click enter. So now it's loading. It will take some time. So here we are. So here we are in Kali Linux. So we have successfully installed Kali Linux. That's it for this video guys. Once again, thanks for watching.